Praise the Lord, mighty prophet of the Lord.
The Lord has also spoken with me about this earthquake that is coming to this land. And this earthquake, I see myself preparing to go to Kisumu. And then as I'm packing my things, I see an earthquake that is coming to this land. I don't know exactly when it takes place, but it looks like I'm packing and preparing to go to a meeting, particular meeting. And then this earthquake takes place. I still see an earthquake that shakes me very violently. I was preparing to go to a meeting. I don't want to say which particular meeting. And then this earthquake takes place. So, in this land. So there is an earthquake that is coming. So these are the signs that the Messiah is coming. And I think blessed is the nation that the Lord speaks with, that she may be able to hearken to his voice and enter eternity.